Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fallout New Vegas on Mac. You have several excellent options to bring this classic title to your Apple computer. We will explore setting up a virtual Windows environment, utilizing compatibility layers for direct play, and leveraging powerful cloud gaming platforms. Each method offers distinct advantages, allowing you to choose the best approach for your specific Mac setup and internet connection. Virtualization software, such as Parallels Desktop or VMware Fusion, allows you to run a full Windows operating system directly on your Mac. This creates a dedicated environment where Fallout New Vegas can be installed and played as if on a PC. You will need to allocate at least 60 gigabytes of storage and ensure your Mac has 8 gigabytes or more of RAM for optimal performance. This approach offers the most authentic gaming experience. Compatibility layers, like Wine, offer an alternative by allowing Windows applications to run on Mac OS without needing a complete Windows installation. Programs such as Porting Kit further simplify this process, making it easier to get Fallout New Vegas up and running. While this method uses less storage, performance can sometimes vary, and you might encounter occasional graphical quirks. It is a great option for those seeking a lighter footprint. Cloud gaming services provide a seamless way to play Fallout New Vegas by streaming the game directly from powerful remote servers to your Mac. Platforms such as GeForce Now or Boosteroid allow you to access your game library without any local installation. A stable internet connection, ideally at least 25 megabits per second, is essential for a smooth experience. This method eliminates the need for significant Mac resources, making it accessible to many.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.